Good evening everyone, this is Zach Harris here from Profits for Wealth Financial Trading School, and today I'm going to be discussing this different type of currency that has actually caught my attention a few days ago. And yesterday I got involved in this currency as well, and I believe this currency has a lot of potential, and I'm going to show you exactly what this currency is. First of all, guys, congratulations, the market cap is going up and up and up, and if you're not involved in cryptocurrency, you're missing out big time. So this is the time to get involved, to turn your money into a true wealth, to make your money work for you rather than working for your money. Okay guys, so come here, let's jump right in. I'll show you what coin I'm talking about. So the coin I'm talking about is called Enigma, okay, ENG, and you can trade them on Binance and you can trade them on few other markets as well. So as you can see, the rank is 83, market cap is 442 million, circulating supply is 74 million, your maximum total supply is 150 million. So as you can see here, at the moment you could actually trade on Binance, Bittrex, Liqui, Delta. I have an account with Bittrex and Binance. As long as you have Bittrex, Binance, Cryptopia, I think you'll be covered to trade pretty much every currency you're looking to trade. These are the only 3 accounts. One of the videos maybe I will cover as well how to open an account, how to send them verification documents, and how to get verified easily. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to go onto their website. I'm going to show you what this coin is all about. So it's enigma.co, enigma.co. So as you can see, scalable privacy for every blockchain. So what they do is they provide basically privacy features for the blockchains. Our project was created by the team of MIT graduates, but I want you to actually go through all that. But what I like about it is the transparency. As you can see here, you can see the co-founder, this guy. I've actually looked at their LinkedIn as well. As you can see, you can click onto their LinkedIn and that would bring you directly onto their LinkedIn profile, and you could actually read about them and you can see what kind of experience they've got and what sort of background do they have. And I checked this company, I checked their co-founder and team. They're all legit, they've got plenty of experience. Whatever they're doing, they are well qualified to do this. As you can see, a lot of information. What I like about it is their YouTube channel. So I clicked onto their YouTube channel and I went through a couple of their video clips and really like their video clips, and they're very informative, I have to say. So what I'm gonna do here is, this is one of the clip where it actually tells you a little bit about Enigma, as well as give you a little bit of inside what Enigma is all about. So I'm gonna actually play this clip and I'll show you what this is all about.
Hello to the community and welcome to the very first video update for the Enigma project. My name is Tor, I'm the head of marketing and growth for Enigma. If you're not familiar with the Enigma project, what we're doing is building a privacy protocol through the use of secret contracts, which are private smart contracts, and that's going to allow us to create truly decentralized applications. One of the biggest issues.
What I want you to do is have a look at this video. I'm going to leave the link as well, because I'm not even sure if I'm legally I'll be able to actually play this clip and YouTube would allow it or not, just in case. But what I'll do is I'll leave the link below this video clip. Have a look at it, see how you feel. I love this actually, the concept behind it. I've done a little bit of research, checked their co-founders, read a little bit about company also, and I was waiting on Enigma to actually drop and give me some sort of a price dip and price action, so I can take a position on this company, on this coin, and trade away. And I'm gonna actually show you, I'm gonna open up my trading view account, and I'm gonna show you at what point I've opened my trade and what I'm looking to achieve. Guys, in the meantime, while it's loading, I've already uploaded a video about Steam. Steam is another fantastic coin. Have a look at the video and see what you think. I've done my technical analysis of a Steam, and I believe this is something could actually make few gains as well. There you go. As you can see, when I was doing my analysis, this thing is already there. This is the price range when I got involved in around that price. So I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna try see if we have enough data to actually pull 1 day chart. No, we don't have enough data, so what I'm gonna do here is maybe put 1 hour chart. I'm gonna make it small. As you can see here, I think it was only out about a month and a half ago, not very long. There you go. So they were out in around at the start of last month, which was December. As you can see here, it was consolidating. Then after that, we got a jump up here, and I'm gonna show you exactly what sort of a decline we had previously. So from all-time high, it declined to 48%, and then it was consolidating, it was ranging, then rose back up again. Then we had a little actually market decline here again from, hold on, let me just, well, I wouldn't even call it a decline, but this was a major decline there. Let me just show you, this was another decline. As you can see here, again, every time the markets declined, especially on the bull run, if they're like, this market is fairly bullish trend, okay, its overall trend is upward, as you can see. And last time when it gives a market correction was 38%. This time it was from all-time high, it was actually maybe slightly higher. There you go, roughly about 35%, and that's the price I got involved here, just around here. I believe it can consolidate a little for maybe a day or so, but they will rise back up and will break through the previous high. And I reckon this is another thing, if you were to get involved even now, even though I am already involved, but let me just show you something, okay? Then let me just reset the chart. Let me go full screen. So as you can see, it only has to rise a little bit higher than that. Okay, and then next time when it breaking through this resistance, this is the resistance level we have, all-time high. It hasn't actually closed below that. When it break through that point, it will easily hit that level, and that's where you will gain your 100% profit straight away. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you're gonna do your own research, get involved in this. I think it's a fantastic opportunity. I got involved in Enigma, I got involved in Steam last night as well, and they both are performing very well. Now, before I go, I'm not a professional financial advisor. This is my own opinion. Yes, I do this for a living. I'm a trader. I'm a professional trader, but I have a couple of trading schools where I teach how to trade. Other than that, this is not my financial advice, so trade it at your own risk. I could only give you my opinion. I'm very transparent. I'm telling you, I got involved in Enigma, and I think it will do well. Thanks very much for watching this clip. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye bye.